Hello everybody. One of the things that really annoys me when I'm working on the mill and I've got a piece in the vise and I take the piece out and the parallel falls. Then you stick the parallel back and get it in and take it off again, and of course it falls again. Especially when you have maybe 4 or 5 parts to do, and every time you change them the parallels fall. So I came up with a solution for that. It's really easy to make, and I'll show you what I did. I made up some steel clips out of this stuff right here. It's about 600 thou thick, or not thick, but wide. And I don't know what the thickness is. Usually it's all the same pretty well. I got this at the local lumber store, and it is just that metal strapping that they use to strap things down to pallets with. They have lots of it and they just kind of scrap it, so that wasn't a problem at all. So I cut it nice and straight at the end as best I could, and then I needed to bend it. And like I say, maybe a couple 300 thou, not very critical at all. And you can just bend that. Works better if you go like this maybe. Try to get it straight up. That wasn't quite straight. Let's do it a little bit more. That's fairly straight. And then I took a piece of 5/8 stock, put it in here, and drew a line for the other side. And I'm going to cut that off beyond the line. We can trim it later if we need to. And put the pliers on the line and bend that straight up too. Not quite enough. Just a little bit more bend on that and we'll have things perfect. There we go. This one here is a little bit off. Just a little bit off. That's pretty close there. We can go try that out. Well, that's not bad, but this side needs to be a little shorter. One side needs to be a little shorter than the other. The longer side would go against the parallel, and the short side goes against this overhanging piece on the vise. So I'll shorten that up and we'll try it again. Okay. There we go. Now that's going to stay put. We just need one for this side, and we're all set. And they do come off and go on pretty easy. And they hold nice. Perfect.